Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, if you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome guys. So in today's video, I just want to tell you that you know there are so many natural ingredients that you can use to better your skin and also your body. Okay, and do you know maca root or maca root powder? Now maca root is a particular root which I'm actually going to be showing you, yeah, and it is used for so many things, and this is one of the reasons for using maca roots and other ingredients though to achieve a very good and maximized and interesting and exciting result. Okay, this natural ingredients is going to be wow. Okay, let me take you right into the video so you can see this maca root powder, okay, and other ingredients which is going to help you. All right, so do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let me take you right in, and you're going to get all of the full benefits. And this is maca root powder. Okay, this is maca root powder. I will repeat that again, maca root powder. Okay, now maca root powder is one great ingredient. You can actually order it online. You can order the maca root itself and blend it, or you can actually order the powder, which is this. Okay, now this is actually very important, and when you're actually using it, do not use too much because it is great. It's great for so many things in the body, and this is what we're gonna be needing. All right, so let's keep this aside because we're going to be using it later. Okay, so what we're going to be needing is pineapple. All right, so I know most of you guys have actually been taking pineapple, and some of you guys have actually been neglecting pineapple. Okay, so if you're actually a guy, do not neglect pineapple again. Okay, because you're going to be loving it. Yeah, so what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be cutting just a little of this pineapple. Okay, so I would have to then peel the pineapple. There are other ingredients guys, so make sure to watch this video till the end so you can get all of the full ingredients. And I'm going to be telling you the ingredient that you might skip, okay, at the end of the video in case you do not have all of the ingredients. Yeah, there are some ingredients that you can equally skip, and this, it will make this, it will not actually affect the effectiveness of this remedy. Okay, okay, so what I'm gonna do is to cut the pineapple. Okay, you shouldn't skip pineapple. In this ingredients, you don't have to skip pineapple. Okay, but I'm going to be telling you the ingredient that you might skip in case you can't actually find it. So I'm going to be putting it into a blender, and we're equally going to be making use of apple. Yeah, now apple is actually very important for this, and it helps for women also. It actually helps to increase your libido. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is to wash it, and it helps so much for men to strengthen you up. Yeah, so I would wash and cut. Basically not going to be putting too much, but you can actually put the whole of the apple. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so ginger is actually very important for this drink because it helps to activate your body and it helps so much to leave you really strong. So this is what I'm going to do. You're gonna be needing just a little of this ginger. Yeah, do not take too much. I'm gonna be showing you the quantity in which you are going to be taking. In case you're actually making it for storage purpose, you can take more than what I'm actually going to be showing you, but do not take too much because too much of everything is bad. Now the interesting part of this is that it is actually natural. So watch it. And this is it. What you're gonna do is that you're gonna be taking just one piece out of this two. Yes, so you shouldn't take too much of it, but of course it's actually very important when we try to take ginger raw. Transfer it into the blender, and then also you're going to be needing lemon. Now lemon is actually very great in activating your body. It actually helps to reduce excessive sugar, because excessive sugar in a man's body actually weakens you, yeah, and shrink. So putting a little bit of lemon is perfect for this, yeah. So since I have a half cut of my lemon, I wouldn't want to waste it since I'm still gonna be using the other one anyways for another day. So I have to keep it here and use this half cut, and then I would press it in. Just the juice. Now another benefit of putting lemon in this drink is that it's not going to make this drink go black, yeah, because when you keep it for few days without using lemon, it's actually going to make it go dark, yeah. Okay, so time for the maca powder. All right, so I'm actually going to be putting just a little or some pinch of the maca powder. Okay, so there we go. All right, so what we're gonna do now is to put in water so we can, you know, blend this and have a great smoothie for our guys, yeah. So we need you guys to give us, yeah. So now you blend. Now taking this would help you to stay strong, stay healthy, and you know, when you continue taking it, is going to actually help you, you know, stay really active, and your joystick is actually will actually begin to grow big and long, yeah. So why not go try this? And all of the things in here are natural. Okay guys, so I told you I was going to tell you what to skip. Now if you do not have the maca powder, you can actually skip the maca powder, but if you have it, it is actually very important. Now apart from that, all in here are very required, and it's something that you don't have to skip apart from the maca powder. Okay, so try this just like I've told you, more in the morning or whenever you want to get down, you know, like 30 minutes before you want to get down, so that it's going to digest and it's going to be distributed all over the necessary parts that this smoothie is needed. Okay, you might look that okay, all of these things I know them, but why not go try it and let me know how it is, because I'm sure it's gonna be superb. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Just use natural. Replace everything you're actually using with this natural remedies, and you are safe. Like, you are good. Like, this is actually working. Yeah, I know a lot of people, a lot of you guys would say, okay, this is not working and all of that, blah 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 blah. Why not give it a try? Just give it a try and you are gonna be loving it. Okay, so that's it. I'm leaving you guys here. I hope you do enjoy watching the video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye.